How to connect Payoneer to Shopify. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create and manage their own online stores, in which it provides users with a user-friendly interface, customizable templates, and a wide range of tools to sell physical or digital products, manage inventory, process payments, and track orders. So from here, all you need to do is to simply sign in your account on Shopify, and after signing in, you will be directed on this homepage of Shopify, where it will show you in here some of the options to navigate on the left side panel, and under the homepage it will show you the setup guide on how you can start setting up your account. And we have here also the payment provider, in which you start adding your Payoneer account as a payment provider or option. Just simply click the settings option below here, and in here it will show you a variety of options to navigate, and just proceed by clicking the payments option. And in here you can choose either payment providers. By clicking this button right here, you will be directed on the page where it will show you some of the third-party payment providers. So just simply go here into the search bar and search Payoneer and click this one. And after that, it will show you in here about the Payoneer checkout native cards. So just click the install button to proceed. And upon doing so, you'll automatically be directed on this page where it will show you where you can start installing this application. After clicking the install button, it will automatically be directed on the page where you need to set up or to manage your Payoneer checkout native cards. By clicking this manage account button, you will be directed again on another next tab. And from here under Payoneer.com, just click get started to set up or create your own personal details, or to create your own account on Payoneer by filling out all of this: first name, last name, email address, phone number, and many more. And after setting up or getting started on Payoneer, you will now be able to add your Payoneer account. The other methods in here is going back to this payment method and click add payment method button right here. And once you try to click or search on this by payment method section, you will not be able to see any Payoneer, so just click this search by provider and search here this Payoneer checkout and kindly click the result below. When clicking on it, just simply click once again and click the install button to proceed, where it will show you on the next tab that you also need to fill out the required information, or click the install button. By clicking this install button, make sure to also read the terms and condition of it. Upon doing so, once again, you will be directed in here where you need to manage your account or to connect your Payoneer account on Shopify. And in order to do that, simply click the manage account button in here to proceed. And upon doing so, once again, you will be directed in here where you can get started and just fill out all of this required information, including the personal details and business details, to create your Payoneer account. After signing in or link your Payoneer account, you'll now be able to be directed in here, where you should be able to see here that your Payoneer account has now been added. Or the other method is by simply clicking this manual payment methods and click create custom payment method in here. And under this custom payment method name, I'm going to enter, for example, Payoneer payment method. And below you can add additional details, including your email account that has been using on Payoneer, and also added here the payment instruction below. In these additional details, it will display to customers when they are choosing a payment method. So for example, I'm going to enter here use your Payoneer account to check out. And below under payment instructions, you can simply add more instructions in here for customers. But at this point, let's say under additional details, I'm going to enter my email address, for example, xvh.gmail.com, which is the email that has been using on my Payoneer account. And under payment instruction, you can simply instruct your customer what to do upon checking out using their Payoneer as a payment method in here. For example, the first thing is to send your listed order total to this account email. So the email address that has been using on my Payoneer account in here. Now we could also add additional payment instructions below. Right, for example, to keep your screenshots of your payment. And after that, you could also enter an email will be sent to you within 24 hours for order confirmation. And after that, the last is to send your screenshot as a proof of payment. So if you're not done, you can now click the activate button below to proceed activating the payment method in here manually. So basically, integrating Payoneer into your Shopify payment workflow enhances your store's ability to handle international transactions efficiently, reduce costs, and provide more payout flexibility. Since Payoneer can be used to receive payouts from marketplaces like Amazon or Fiverr. as the payout method when using certain third-party Shopify payment processors. So overall, that is just basically how to connect Payoneer to Shopify.